Washing the tractor. I want it clean, Isabella. Alright, so we're here today at the Peoria Friendship House of Christian Services. Doing just almost spring maintenance around here. We've got some garden work going on in the background. We brought the big tractor in to do tilling as well, but then we realized we couldn't get into the garden. But I'm here today with Urban, and Urban, tell us a little bit about yourself and what Peoria Christian House is.
Yeah, so basically, first of all, I want to thank our volunteers for coming out and helping us get the maintenance together outside and helping out. Just doing a beautiful thing for the community. So basically, my job here is I'm a program coordinator for our basketball and our volunteer program. So basically, our volunteers come here and I assign them tasks, whether they have to pay a debt to the community or if they just want to help out. I assign them tasks and keep them busy. Today, basically, they're out in the field and doing some beautiful work. As you can see, we got tractors, tillers, got kids playing in the basketball lot, keeping our distance, of course, 6 feet. So yeah, it's a beautiful thing.
So since we couldn't get the big tiller into the raised bed gardens, I decided to grab the weed eater and go ahead and just trim around some of these raised beds to make it easier for the tiller to get in there. Really, I should have spent more time on it, but we had a lot of other stuff to do. What we're doing right now with the tractors, we're trying to level out some of this gravel from the dumpsters, constantly pushing it up into a pile and trying to make it a little nicer, easier to mow and maintain. Here you can see I'm really just cutting into that piles of gravel, dirt mixed, and not trying to finish grade it here. What I'm really trying to do is break up the clods and any grass clumps to try to get those broke down. So don't mind that it's not a finished grade job at this point. Again, I'm really just cutting that piles of gravel and trying to scoop it, not to do a finished grading job at any point here. Also, you noticed I moved the dumpster because that's where the biggest pile was right next to where they'd been parking it. And so I wanted to make sure I was able to level that all out. Here you can see Mike and I were raking out those clods and trying to get them broken down, get the grass out. We were piling up the grass and we ended up throwing it away there in the dumpster, but got it where it was looking pretty good. Again, more cleaning of grass clods and busting them up, trying to get the dirt and the gravel out of them. Pushing that dumpster back because the way it was set, and there would be no way for a trash truck to get a hold of it. So I just scooted it back into position and started to finish grading. Talked to some of the guys that work with the Peoria Friendship House, and I said, you know, this sidewalk's a major trip hazard. It was up about 10 inches or so right off of the alleyway, and they asked, well, can we just lift it up and scoop some of that dirt out? And I'm like, well, maybe we can try it. It's probably not a permanent solution, but at least it's better than somebody falling, and a lot of people have tripped in this area, so it's good to try to get it down a little bit.
Wow, that looks so good. So Jason, what do you guys did?
Huh?
What do you guys did?
This concrete slab was up about, I would say 8 to 10 inches. We lifted it up, we scooped some dirt out, like a tender back. It didn't go down perfect, but it's better than a trip hazard.
Kind of one of the last things we did was they asked if we could get some of this compost pushed off of the alleyway. The city had delivered it there and it was sitting partially maybe a foot or two onto the alley, so we're just pushing the pile up a little bit and getting it off of the pavement there. I want to finish this video with some still pictures that we took throughout the day.